Yo, what is up guys, it's your boy Jack, or Noble Des, and welcome to a brand new episode of Modding Mondays. Excuse this banner on my head, let me get that out of here. So today I'm going to be showing you all the Holograms mod, which is really useful for servers and adventure maps and just simple things like that. So what you see above my head right now is not my gamer tag. I mean, that'd be cool, I'd love to have a colored gamer tag, but it's not. It is actually a hologram, which is made using a custom armor stand. There is various other ways of making holograms, but just modding armor stands seems to be like the most common, most easiest way to do it, in my opinion. And you can't really break it or anything, so other people can't really mess it up. The only way you can get rid of it is by going into the mod tool and deleting it from there. So before I start this video, if you haven't seen my first video showing off the Universal Minecraft Editor, where I show y'all how to, get the saves out of your designated console and the basic features of the program, I do recommend you go watch that first before you do try and follow the directions of this video. So I'll have a link to that down in the description. Just make sure you're going to watch that. It's a really quick video. I explain everything really fast and really quick, and I do try to make it as easy as I possibly can. So without further ado, I'm going to show y'all how to put this in your own worlds. You can color it. I'll have a color code kind of a layout / key in the description so you can look at the colors and all that. And I don't believe there is a limit to how long these can be, so if you wanted to, you could literally make this go like way off like your screen and stuff, make it be extremely long if you want to put a lot of text. And also, like, if you wanted to do different lines, you could put like armor stands in the same place and mod each one, turn off the gravity and put them like, I believe 0.4 separated in height. And you can make like different lines of text, so you can make like a whole wall of like instructions or something if you wanted to. So I already mentioned you need an armor stand for this, so obviously you are going to need an armor stand. I'm going to go over here, place the armor stand right there. And actually, I think I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate to y'all like the multiple lines thing. So if you want to have armor stands or like different lines of text above each other, just put the armor stands in the same spot like so. Mark the coordinates of where these armor stands are, or you can just like stand next to it as your player and you can go off your own player coordinates in the mod tool. But just keep in mind the coordinates and go ahead and exit and save and load this world into the Universal Minecraft Editor mod tool. Alright, so I have my world open up in Universal Minecraft Editor now. Now you're just going to want to find your armor stands wherever they're at. I put my player right next to it, so I can just go off my own coordinates right here. If you go into entities, you'll see your armor stands right there. So I'm going to make this one right here be the top armor stand, the top layer of text, and this one be the bottom layer of text. So to start off, go ahead and right click the armor stand and type in whatever you want to type in. So I'm going to put in this is line 1. Make sure name visible is checked and click the check mark. I'll go into this one, do the same, but this time I'm going to put this is line 2. Alright, so now inside the armor stands, you're going to want to go into their byte tags right here. Select invisible, and set it to 1, which equals true. Also set invulnerable to true, no gravity to true, and that's pretty much all you gotta do. And do that for all the other ones, if you have any more, that is. So now right here, since I want this one to be one line above this one, I'm gonna right click it, click position, and right here I'm gonna put this 0.4 higher on the Y, so it'll be a little higher than the other one, and this one will be like floating above this one. So this is line 1, this is line 2, it'll look kind of cool. And if you want to add color, you can go here to where the custom name is, hold the Alt button on your keyboard and press 2 and then 1 and then let go of the Alt button and you'll get the color code symbol. And from here you can type in a color code to give it a color. So I'll have a link in the description to a website that'll show you all the codes. But I'm going to go ahead and make this top one dark blue. So that's 1 is dark blue. And I'll make the bottom one be gold, which is 6. So color code 6. Oh wait, I forgot to press enter. Make sure you don't do that. And now once you have these two things done, you can go ahead and save this and load it back onto your console. So I'm loading up the world now, and upon joining, you'll see we have our holograms here. So this is line 1 and this is line 2. It seems I forgot to put a space there. Oops, but still, they're colored and they're right above each other. So it seems 0.40 made it like a little higher. So I guess like if you want them to be directly above each other, like touching and all, you could try out like 0.20 or maybe even 0.10. Or no, I think 0.20 at least would be the best. But yeah guys, this right here is how you put holograms into your world. This is really useful for like servers, mainly factions and things like that, like if you need holograms at your spawn point and stuff. And there really was no point in the chest. I was gonna put something like this as an empty chest, but I didn't even use it, oops. But whatever, hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope y'all can make use of this mod right here. It's been used in so many console maps and PC maps, and really just all Minecraft maps in general. If there's any other mods y'all would like me to show off in a Modding Monday, make sure to go into the straw poll in the description and vote for what mod y'all want me to kind of go over next. And I will be looking at those, and just because one has the highest vote doesn't guarantee it'll come next, but the ones with the highest votes, I'll know, hey, people want this one the most, and I'll focus on getting those mods out first. So yeah, anyways, it's been your boy Jack, or Noble Des. Hope this is useful to y'all, and I am out.